Hi guys, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to make a preemie hat using the Addi Pro. I have 4-ply yarn, my scissors, and my tapestry needle. So let's get started. Make sure this is on 0 and this is on your first black needle. We're going to leave a tail, put it in the middle, go in between the first needle, and we're just going to go out and out and all the way around. Now that we reached the first black needle again, we're just going to open this up, put the yarn through, close it. I'd like to turn it. So I hold my yarn like this, and I give it a turn like that. So you want to go 60 rounds. So I meet you back when you get to row 60. And you want to slowly pick up the yarn. And you want to go slow because you don't want to drop no stitches. And sometimes you want to have the ones that are stuck. So I'm just go back to see what's going on. I'm glad that this happened because, see, give it a little stretch. Grab it from one end, other. No, pull slow. Then we're gonna weave. Close that up. Put that together. And then I'm still have the inside part together as well. So that way it don't come. Now put that down and still pull it tight on this end. Pull it tight on that end. However you find it comfortable to weave in, that is fine. You're just gonna cut this, like wherever, however you are hiding your tails. I'm just gonna cut that and cut that. So there you have it, a small preemie hat. So tiny and so cute. I love making these hats, and I know they will keep them warm. So thanks so much for watching. Peace, love, and happy crafting. God bless. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. God bless. Bye.